everyone, we're going to evaluate the given integral t sine squared of t dt. We're also going to use integration by parts and use substitution with half angle identity. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this a little better. So let's pull out the t here and do our half angle identity right here. So that's going to be 1/2 times 1 minus cosine 2t dt. Now I can pull out the 1/2 in front, this constant. So I have 1/2. And then go ahead and distribute the t. So distribute that t. So you're going to get t integral of t minus t cosine 2t dt. All right. And now I'm going to use integration by parts. Well, the first thing I can do is just simplify this as 1/2 the integral of t minus 1/2 the integral of t times cosine 2t dt. So the first part we can go ahead and do. When you evaluate that, that's going to be 1/2 times t squared divided by 2. So we got that part. That's going to be 1/4 t squared minus, now you're going to do your 1/2, and we're going to do integration by parts. So what we do for that is we're going to let u, we got to figure out u, v, and v's, du. So we're going to get u equals t, therefore du equals dt. We're also going to have dv equals the rest of whatever's left. So that's going to be cosine 2t dt. Therefore, your antiderivative is just going to be 1/2 sine of 2t. And then we use this formula. All right, so we're going to get 1/2 times u dv. So that's just going to be 1/2 t sine of 2t minus, now we're doing this part, v du. So that's going to be 1/2 sine 2t dt. All right. Now, from there, I'm going to simplify. You might want to write this down. I'm going to distribute here. So you notice these two negatives here are going to make a positive. So let's take care of that on the next slide. You will get 1/4 t squared minus 1/4 t sine of 2t plus, now we're going to integrate. Let me write it up here again. We had the integral, and we saw a plus for that, 1/2 sine of 2t dt. So that part's going to be 1/4. It's going to be 1/2. Take the antiderivative of that. So you have your 1/2, and then times negative 1/2. And cosine of 2t when you integrate that. So this is all going to be minus 1/8. So our final answer is going to be 1/4 t squared minus 1/4 t sine of 2t, and this is the part we're cleaning up. Since that's a negative, that's going to be minus 1/8 cosine 2t plus c. We should have probably put a plus c here. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.